Hi, Greg from Django. We're going to go through one of our grade 3 pieces today. This is Andante, piece number B1. The music looks pretty scary, but I'll actually show you that it's quite easy to play once you understand what the lines of notes mean. First of all, I'll play through it and then I'll talk you through it. So it starts off piano. Here we go. So there it is, that's the piece. So the very first set of notes, it gives you 4 notes, gives you a lot of finger direction in this piece. So it's telling you to put your 3rd finger up on this low G, 3rd fret on the 6th string, and your 4th finger on this high G, 3rd fret on the 1st string, and you pluck 6, 3, 2, 1 all together. So I'm using a claw grip and plucking all 3 in one go. And that happens quite a lot, where you see a string of notes, you have to pluck them rather than strum them. Now the other thing that's going on is there are some dotted quavers and some semi-quavers, which create a da, da, da. It's a little lilt in certain parts of it, and the first 3 notes are lilted. There's the lilt, and then straight. When you get to this end of the 2nd bar, those 2 notes, you leave them and just pluck 4, 3, 2, 1 for the next note. Here, open 5, open 3, and 2nd fret, 2nd fret. Now it does tell you 1st and 2nd fingers here. I often use 2nd and 3rd. To me it doesn't make an awful lot of difference, you can do either. This next chord, everything is given a finger number. So the D is the 5th fret of 5, the F sharp's 4th fret of 4 as it normally would be, and the high D is the 3rd fret of 2, and you're using fingers 3, 2, 1, and you pluck all 3 of those. That's sometimes a difficult grab, so you'll need a little bit of practice to get into that. 2nd line, same as the 1st, up until the middle of the 3rd bar. So we go back down this bit louder this time. Now it changes. Once we hit those 2 open strings, we get this C sharp and A sharp. A sharp always looks a bit scary, but it's 1st finger on the 3rd fret of 3, 2nd finger on 4th fret of 5, to give you that C sharp, A sharp, and then open 3, 2, 1, again with that claw pluck, and then open 4 and 2, and then, so those are the first 2 lines, a lot of similarity. The 3rd line goes back to piano. The opening strike is open 2nd, piano, and then you strike 2nd fret of 5, 2nd fret of 3, and open 2. Again, claw strike. And then open 6, open 2 and 3. You'll notice a lot of the time I've got more than one string running, so be aware that if the note says it's a minim and then you've got other notes following it, leave it alive. So here's a great example. You make that first strike. We then repeat what we've just played at mezzo forte. And at the end, go up to the 5th fret of 1, play that little rundown, and then back to that familiar shape. And then 4th line, exactly the same as the 2nd, exactly the same, but this time at piano. And the beauty is, because we've played this so many times, we start getting quite adept at it. And there you have it. That is Andante, piece B1, in your grade 3 piece book. Have a great day.